Eat your spaghetti.
Join them as they visit brand new places. I can't wait to see lots of new faces and spend some time with friends. Take the title every day on Nick Jr.
Time for another rhyme. We're looking for something that rhymes with cat.
Can I see it?
Here we have a jar and a hat. Which one of these rhymes with cat? Jar or hat? Correctamundo. In other words, you're right. Hat sounds like cat. They rhyme. We'll return with even more rhyme time in just a bit. It's Make Music Month. You can make music by yourself or in a band. Play a tuba, beat a drum, or clap your hands. No matter what you choose to play. Making music can make your day.
Make music with us all month on Nick Jr.
Making music is awesome.
Catch a kicking concert on a special Fresh Beat Band guest starring Nia. When we go concert. And don't miss a pitch perfect performance in a brand new episode of Olivia. Plus, go to do.nickjr.com to play music is everywhere with the Fresh Beat Band. And discover different sounds.
What are you doing?
And pick up some new dance moves.
Thought you were giving it to Riley.
Nick Jr. is like Rico on TV.
Why is spaghetti so hungry? Is it Uncle Boo?
Quench your preschooler thirst and revive their loco legs with Fresh Beat Band's Fruity Smoothie.
I said
Colorful and easy to make.
I eat Uncle Boo.
I don't know what you said.
Uncle Boo.
Uncle Bo?
Uncle Boo.
Ah.
Strong comfort printable at fancy.nickjr.com. To get started, you'll need a blender, frozen fruit, plain low-fat yogurt, apple or orange juice,
Okay, say goodbye.
and straw.
Bye.